Harry from RackYourGarage, just doing an install here in a corner, and I want to kind of point out about how to measure out and where to place the rack. So we want to go from that corner there to this corner here. So measure the distance. It's 11'7". So what's going to fit? 6 foot and 8 foot rack. And here's how we're going to do it. So we went from that corner over there. We went this way with the 8 foot, way out to the front of the garage. And then the width is 4 feet. So 4 feet, and then we've got the 6 foot. So it runs from here all the way to there, because 6 plus 4 is 10. That's less than the 11 foot that we have to work with. So we've got enough to fit that in. So what I'm trying to say is, if you've got a certain narrow space, take the measurement. If you're going to do a corner, think about the width of the rack and the length, and then just add those together, and you've got your locations, your layout of how those can go together. Harry with RackYourGarage.